Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about NHL 25. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys actually that how I got a copy of the game for free, guys. So practically pre-order it because the game didn't got released yet, but you can pre-order the game for PC5 and Xbox, and I did it for my PlayStation 5. I pre-ordered, and I'm gonna show you guys that how I did this for free. So if you want to learn how to do this and do it on your own, then watch this video until the end, guys. I'm gonna share with you this method, so make sure you watch the video until the end. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Okay, so we'll continue immediately right now to show the steps you need to follow, and I'll need to turn the camera on the other side to show everything you need to know. You can see, guys, I have right here in front of me my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game for free. So it doesn't matter the device you use, if it is iOS or if it is Android. If you have Android device, it's totally fine. I'm just using my iPhone because this is what I use, but if you have Android, it's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same. Okay, so what is going to happen, guys, we are going to get a game code which you can redeem after the game in any platform that you play. So basically we just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer and type this site. It's called We Use Coupons. You just need to enter inside. You have a lot of other stuff you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just going to use the searching bar, guys, so not to make the video too long. And here it is. And then you just need to scroll it down, and down below you have the platforms, as you can see, for PC5 and Xbox consoles. So basically you just need to choose which console you play, and for the both platforms the steps are the same, so you just need to choose which one you play. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with PC5, and then it shows here to unlock the code, so you just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys, so the circle get complete 100%, and after that it's going to redirect you to another page when it is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it, guys. Just read the instructions. Okay, so here on the top it says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock NHL 25 game code. After completing the task, enter phone number or email above to receive the code. Okay, so me, after I completed, I took it by text. I'm going to show you right now, and as you can see here, it says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is my code. It's one-time use. Is your NHL 25 game code from which skip on. Okay, so basically I came here in this stage, and then down below you're gonna find this list, guys, of different apps, and you just need to choose 2 of these 2 apps to complete it as a task. As you can see, everything is for free, so you don't have to pay anything. And important is that all the apps are from App Store or Play Store, so practically they are from official stores, so you don't have to do anything outside official stores. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, you just need to choose these 2 apps, read the instructions because different apps have different instructions, and make sure you should be a new user only, which it means, for example, if you have TikTok already in your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work, so process will fail. You need to choose another app which you didn't have downloaded before your device. Okay, so how it works, basically after you choose which one you want to do it and you read the instructions, you just need to tap on it. For example, me, I did this easily and I did fetch rewards. So basically press on it, guys, it will show you what you have to do, and here it says to go to App Store and to type pay in 4 and search easily. All right, and you just need to open the page. It was very simple task to do it, so basically tap on it and it will redirect it to App Store in the case you're using iOS, or Play Store in the case you're using Android. And the task was pay in 4. Okay, you just go here, type pay in 4. All right, and you just need to find very easily. Okay, here it is. Okay, to me it shows open because I've done it before, but you can show the sign of downloading. So basically this app, you just needed to find it, to download it, and to enter inside of it. So that's it. This was very simple task to do it. The next one, it was fetch rewards, and if you go back, here it is fetch rewards, also fetch rewards, same steps, press on it, it shows to you again what you have to do, tap to install, to redirect to App Store, Play Store, depend on a device. To me it shows open because I did it. Okay, I completed also this one, and then I came here back, guys, I put my phone number and I submitted. You can put your email, depends on you, how do you want to get the code. I submitted, and then a couple of minutes after I got the code by text. So basically this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful in you. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the like button and share it with your friends who like to play the game. Cheers.